Hi there, thanks for stopping by. The recipe that we're going to do today is inspired by my friend Lori. We were visiting their home one time and she had made lasagna soup for us. It was delicious. It's a one-pot recipe that has all the flavors of lasagna, but in a very simple form. We're making lasagna soup. So come on, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients that we need to get started. We need about 8 pieces of uncooked lasagna noodles, and we'll break those into 1 to 2 inch pieces. We need about 1 cup of diced onion, 1 pound of ground beef or ground sausage. You could even do a combination of both. That's our favorite way to do it. And then we're adding 1 can of garlic fire roasted tomatoes. If you don't want to add those or don't have those, you could just use diced tomatoes, and then add a little garlic powder or fresh garlic. And then we need 4 cups of chicken broth or beef broth, and I have unsalted, so we will be salt and peppering this. And we will add 1 jar of spaghetti sauce and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. So there will be some other things that we'll add in a little bit, but these are all the things that we need to get started. Okay, we will start by browning our hamburger and onions. Okay, our meat is browned and our onions are cooked. It doesn't look like there's much grease in there, so we don't need to drain it off. If there was a lot of grease, you would want to drain some of it. So now we will turn it down a little bit. And we're going to add our tomatoes, our sauce, our 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and our broth. Then we'll bring this up to a boil, and we will then turn it down and simmer for 10 minutes before we add our noodles. We'll let that come to a boil. Okay, as you can see, it's just starting to boil, so we'll go ahead and add lasagna. I'll stir that, and then we'll turn it down to a simmer. At this point, you'll want to taste it for seasoning too. If you want to add more Italian seasoning or garlic powder or what other seasonings you like, basil or oregano, or I did add some salt and pepper. We'll come back when the noodles are done. I'll stir it occasionally. Okay, it's time to add in the heavy cream, about a 1/2 cup, and our 1 cup of mozzarella. We'll stir that in, give that a couple minutes to melt, and then it's ready to serve up. Okay, let's plate this up. And then we'll add a dollop of cottage cheese or ricotta, a big dollop. Little Parmesan cheese. And a sprinkle of some basil. Fresh basil would be best, but this I'll do. Okay, our lasagna soup is done. Yum. We're gonna taste it.
Bon appetit. Oh, that's really good.
Lasagna in a bowl. Yum.
You shut this camera off so I can eat.
The easiest way to make lasagna. It's all in one pot and it's super simple. It only took about half the time to make a pan of lasagna. So I hope that you'll try this recipe. Check out the instructions and the recipe down below. And you can also change up, like I said, with the seasonings if you like to add more garlic or whatever seasonings you like. And you can also change the noodles. You can add like rotini, penne, or whatever kind of noodles that you like. So you can also make it in the crock pot. I'll have instructions for crock pot down below too. So please like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you've ever had lasagna soup and if you plan to try it. So check out the recipe and please come back again for more videos. See you soon. Whoa. It's smelling good.